Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Skype audio sign out issue and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to go here on this search on your search bar, and you just have to search for percentage app data percentage, and you just have to press enter. Now this will take you to these, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to navigate to the folder named Microsoft, and you just have to open this. And from here you just have to search whether you are having Skype folder here or not. So most probably in some cases this has to be there, but if it's not there then you don't have to get panicked. So if you can see the Skype folder here, what you have to do is just have to rename it. Okay, you just have to do a rename it, so it is not available here. So what you have to do is you just have to rename the respective folder. If you're having the Skype folder, you just have to rename and give any other name. And also make sure before giving to the rename, you just have to make sure that it is not running in the background, because I have just restarted the computer right now because of the electricity issues. But even in case when you're having the trouble on auto sign issues, most probably you have to go here and on the task manager, and you just have to search if the Skype is running in the background. And if it is running in the background, as you can see that you just have to right click and just have to go for end task. This is what you have to do. And once it is done, the end task is being done, make sure it is all being end task. Right now the Skype is not there, and once it is there you just have to change the folder name. Okay, this is what you have to do. Now you just have to close this, and moving on you just have to go over here and you just have to click on what you have to do is credential manager. You just have to click on manage Windows credential. You just have to open this, and from here you just have to see whether the Skype issues the generic credentials are available or not. As you can see that here the credentials there, so you just have to expand this, and there is an option called remove it, so you just have to click on the remove and go for remove it. Same way you have to go for the Skype. If anything is available, go for remove it, so that once it is successfully done, you just have to close this. And what you have to do is just have to download the Skype from the official Microsoft and click on the Skype, and you just have to download it. And once it is been successfully downloaded, what you have to do is just have to install it, and most probably the issue regarding will be completely fixed, because we have renamed the folder into a new one. We have already removed some of the credentials, and also we have re-downloaded the Skype after uninstalling this. So here I'm having some trouble on the network, so what you have to do is just have to do this up, and once it is done, just do a restart and get into the Skype, and most probably this should be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.